In this tutorial lesson, we are going to be finding and graphing equations that are either perpendicular or parallel to a specific axis and goes through a specific point. So in this one, it says to find and graph the equation that's perpendicular to the x-axis. All right, well, if this is the x-axis and it's horizontal, then a perpendicular equation would be a vertical line that goes through the x-axis. All right. Now let's locate the fact that it goes through the point 2, 7. So let's just go ahead and plot the point 2, 7. All right. So 2, 7 is right here actually. So that's 2, 7. All right. And if we know we need a vertical line that goes through that point, then our equation or our graph would be this graph right here, okay? I'm going to do that with a pen, but it would be this line right here. And I can't draw that perfect, but that would be a line that is perpendicular to the x-axis, and it goes through the point 2, 7. All right, well, what is going to be the equation of this line? Well, notice that the x value is the 2, all right? And anytime you have a vertical, remember I taught you the phrase Hoy and Vux that we use, Hoy Vux. Well, a vertical line has the slope that we call undefined, and the equation is always x equals a number. Well, the number that it is the x value that it gives you. So this always goes through the 2. So the equation for this one is x equals 2. All right, now let's take a look at this one. This one's similar, but it says find and graph the equation that is parallel to the x-axis. Well, if it's parallel to the x-axis, then it's going to be a horizontal line. All right. So again, our mnemonic phrase, we use Hoy, H-O-Y, for a horizontal line. That means our equation is going to be y equals a number. Well, we realize that it has to go through the point -3, 5. If I were to highlight that point, -3, 5 is right here. And if it goes through that point and it's horizontal, then it's going to be going like this. So I'll go ahead and draw that line like that. And that equation is going to be y equals 5. Because y is always equal to 5 because it has to go through this point that has a y value of 5. All right.